Hello guys, I'm Harlan Chris. To tell you in this tutorial permanently how to remove iCloud activation lock links from any iPhone device. Right now this is a lock to owners means iCloud activation lock links is already activated on this device. Maybe it is in a stolen mode due to happens, or maybe it is in a blacklisted or lost mode. What's the remedy of this device? We will see live here in this tutorials. How do you deal this kind of the situation on any iPhones, and how do you transfer the new Apple ID and password to operate as a new one, genuine owner of this device? So we can see here it is here stuck on iCloud. So first and foremost we'll give or provide good configuration in an Apple database server or cloud database server by virtue of iTunes. I have opened iTunes, but now this iTunes is a completely freeze. Now see, we are unable to. So now what is a easy solution for it? Easily at your home you can bypass or permanently remove it. Just we will connect through your tool, connect a data cable from your PC to this ones, and of course we will come a crash analysis. We will go inside, we will delete all the old, redundant, and of course retaining data from this device, or inside this device we will have to delete. This one we have deleted, so once again we can confirm that it has been deleted or not. We will go inside. Now nothing is, so it's a clean. So there is nothing now data in iCloud database servers. Now from the Apple database server, how do you clear? Yes, we will go for energy administrations, imagine PC, but before the goings we will come in a smart flash. We will go for refresh option and the phone, check it out what are the iOS being recommended by. So now we can check it out here. See, this is a especially beta in out of, you can approach here. So let's see beta especially 3 is a 53J. So this one already imported. Yes, we can import it once again, no problem at all. There's things, see here, suppose we have cancels this firmware, either we can download or we can import. Right now latest beta version you can go with the 4 here is options to a download. If I click here, it will be a download. This firmware can be downloaded from any ipsw.beta.com and on itself Apple, or of course on ipsw.com, or by on itself www.3u.com. Right now we have to import. We will unlock this device by virtue of especially beta version, especially 18.53. So it is a 53J. Yes, I would like to show you this one. I have kept in my especially here 13 point here. See, we can check it out that 13.2 something 50J that I had downloaded and kept it. So if I type here, now see, successfully it has been imported. Means by this we can execute it. So the before in the going, so there, be ready for select the quick flash mode, don't select the retain user data, anti-recovery and fixed place, and upon we can close this iTunes. Click on close iTunes, otherwise you will have to restart. So here we will close it. Now we will come on a especially imagine PC. It's time to open it. We will clear the whatever data in a Apple database server also by using this tool. Trial version this tool can be applicable. So here see, it's not connecting here right now. Just simply we will disconnect and connect now. So this device has a cam. Now we can check it out. Yesterday there was one device that I unlocked, so this thing is coming here. So here just we will go for forgot option and we will clear this SE device. Yesterday it was unlocked. Today first of all this device I'm unlocking, then further we will go for here another device. So now here we can go for here just 12. Now of course we will click on a show device console, and of course we will clear 8 list 20 times. We have to 3 4, now see, 5 6 7 8 9 10. Yes, we will go for here 10 11 12 13, 14, 15. Now white screen is almost coming. Yes, we will go for here quickly. Now we will back so once again and we will come here. Let's check it out. I had already clear in a cloud database data. Now we are clearing in the Apple database. Now see here, almost. We will come on the other hand, of course, on a toolbox. We will come in a RAC mode. We will hit this one. We will come on a here and show device console options. Here, this is we will clearing. So almost it has been declared, guys. There is no console. So now that we can cut it from here, we can close this option. We will come on a here and let's check it out. Now we will go the inside of these things. We had already imported this file. Now we will select this one. We will go the inside of that, and without selecting the fixed battery during the health, just we will go for reminder you haven't selected this one. Fine, of course we will come on here. Retaining user data would be a retain, so don't select these ones, and anti-recovery don't select, it will take much more time. And fix of flash is for when device will stuck on Apple logo, iTunes logo. Then so I had selected this one. We will go for hits this one. Now it is directly jumped on the 9%. Further we will see what kind of the error is coming, and any kinds of the error will come, so then of course we will try to fix it. Now it has been raised on the 16%. We will see further. Yes, any error comes, then of course we will try to fix step by step, guys. Now it is on 11%. I think so further it will ahead, then of course we will check it out. That it has accepted now, guys, because it has gone on a approximately see on a 34%. When it cross from the especially 30%, then now let's check it out. Any error will come, so then of course we will fix it. We are on now the 50%. Let it complete 100%. Then of course there is some crucial step that we will have to execute 2 3, and thereupon of course by execution of those things directly we will transfer the new Apple ID and password on it. This device will work as a new one's device, guys. How it is possible, I will show you, don't worry. Almost we have done 50%. This is not edited tutorial, guys. Directly we will see each second I am able to audit in front of you. Now see, almost it is on a 50%, but don't look especially on there, just to check it out. Yeah, more than 50% it has crossed on the physical process. 2 3 precaution, let me inform you that during the flashing device, your device may restart multiple times, so please don't unplug the device spontaneously. Flashing iDevice without user data. Yes, always. Yes, it will disconnect without a special good quality data cable, guys. So try to always use a data cable, good quality, so that it will not disconnect in the midst of device from PC. Now, third thing so that of course always you should have the opportunity of for second internet connections. If internet connection is not giving especially good configuration in a Apple data or cloud data or on a especially 3U tool, then of course it will give you error. So internet always should be connected. And while the batch activation or deactivating the whole procedure, there is a good cloud database server is required. So for good configurations there, if any error will come, so then we will have to use. And fifth one, so that of course we will have to always ready for precise customized locations. Yes, you should be ready to customize especially precise location. How it is, I will show you. Let it complete firstly absolute 100%, then of course we will go for further step. Almost especially, I mean, 9-10 minutes we have completed. Further we will see. Now it has reached on a 52 percentage, but on the look at on the physical body, almost 90 percentage it has completed. So directly maybe it will jump from 60 to 90, 80, or maybe hundreds. Don't worry, guys. Let it completely 100% is. It will notify you until unless it's not notifying so that any error or succeed. Congratulations. Then don't do anything extra. Just watch carefully. When you have the half an hour time, so then go for execution. And before execution, you need to install, download these all software. That is a 3U tool, Imaging PC, and third one is a special iTunes. iTunes had a completely phrase, so let's check it out further. Now here we will also check it out that precise locations or especially of this device cells area model. How do you check it out? I will show you in the next tutorial, guys, easily. Let it confirm that what's the cells area of this device. So let it firstly complete, then of course I will show you. Now still it is on a 89%, sorry, 79%, guys. I'm extremely exhausted today as my source, but however, of course, I will unlock this 2-3 device I have to unlock. Firmware before execution the whole procedure try to download that has been recommended by or where it says being recommended by especially 302. Now it has been the completed, guys. Here see it's a function the congratulations, it has been the completed. So fine, we will tap on OK and we will come on especially here on toolbox. We will be ready for batch activation. These things we will be here to batch activations. Be ready. This is the things that we will skip to the whole the setting of the regions, language, Wi-Fi, location, applied touch ID, face ID, everything. So if I remove and everything especially or skips the polarities of all the things, and then of course and this device will be ready to use as it is, as it was, especially as a nuance. Now we ready for when it will be highlighted. It's a highlighted now. Just we will go for other activations. Let's hit. Here is any error is the context, immediately change the internet connection and go for executions. However, error will come and then you will have to go with the especially virtual private networks of cells model area of this device. What's the cells area of this device? It is right now especially Hong Kong, so we will have to, if we are unlocking this in Europe, so then that condition this device was especially or purchased or sold in Hong Kong, then we will have to customize their precise location on this especially PC. So it has been the succeeded, no problem at all. So now we'll go for here OK and check it out in deactivation process. It is asking or not, it is asking to deactivate, and then of course we will wait for deactivate. And the waiting of course 4 3 2 1 second, and of course we will go for hit this one. So now the activation has been successfully done. Fine, we can close, and once again we will come on a batch activation. We will go for a skip setting, and of course we will go for here and we will go for hit this one, activating and skipping the whole things. Now be ready for now see any error will come, so then of course we will check it out. Now we can see here, now both has been successfully. Now we are on here, so let's open. We'll go for here, select the country and the language. Yes, we will come to select the country and the language, guys. Country and the language, of course. Let's see. Now we will go for OK, and upon of course we will open iTunes. Let's check it out. Let's open iTunes and give a signal in a cloud database server. Now see, it is assessing, but we will go for continue the partial. That's was now go on everything. What do you say, guys? iTunes is also especially now completely working. Just saying should welcome to new ones. So don't click on a continue. Why so? Because no SIM card is available. We will come to directly, especially in the account setting to sign into, of course, the create a new mobile ID and password. And thereupon, of course, after creating new mobile ID and password, we will transfer. So it will now see here. Write email, confirms a new password, verifies the password, of course, region and country, and go for term and condition. We'll go in the inside of the setting. We can check it out here. Is clearly saying that. Let me show you guys here. I don't know it is visible or not, but now it is visible. It's essential that in the connects to the internet to shine into your device. So it means there is no internet connection. So this ID would be directly transferred from here. Of course, by virtue of iTunes. So spontaneously, of course, we will come on here, Face ID and password. Now see Face ID. Whatever the autofill and then everything is especially and visual. Am I right or not? Now see. So this is all about in this video tutorial, guys. Furthermore, or otherwise, indirectly you would like to create a new appliance, then we will go connect to Wi-Fi and the one, of course. It's totally safe, guys. This is all about the furthermore inquiry. Of course, I have the query below the comments for the plaza would demands to the reply your query. Yes, please drop the comments in the comments box if you have any confusion in the query. So, see, guys, here, of course, it's clear. You can generate new appliance. So thank you very much, and have a great time, guys. Bye bye.